I think it's time for you to come in, bub. Yeah, I think so. You need to shake all that off. Wife's car's not going anywhere for a while. Girl, sit down all pretty for the picture. Thick ice underneath. Here we are inside the snow cave. Lit a bunch of candles in here last night. And I can tell you, we just did this for fun, not for survival. We had real cold wind chill, strong wind blowing out there last night, and there was no wind in here. And just with the candles and the body heat from us playing around in here, it was probably at least in the 40s inside this thing. Candles kind of give it a nice glaze over on the inside of the dome. Strengthen it a little bit. Pretty cool. Don't have this much snow often, or hardly ever. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a bummer you don't get to go to school the whole rest of the week, isn't it?
Nope.